Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand, this heating lamps. And let me give the overall sizes first. The units entirely heights, they are about like a 26 and 3/4 inches tall. And the lengths, they are about like a 13 and 3/4 inches wide. For the inner side between the two hinge, they are about like a 12 inches. And the depth of the units, they are about like 12.5 inches deep. Also, we can see they have a lamps mounting right here. This height is adjustable too. The highest one, they are about like 18 inches tall. And the lowest one, adjust the back the screws, you can mount as low as to the 14 inches. And when we look in the side of the units, we do have a switchers right here. And standard the 110 plugs, they do have a ETL sanitation sticker at the behind. And the machine running the maximum about like a 250 watts. And for these lamps, they're using the connector, also using the BR20 size. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.